is down. You enchant me, even when you're not around. Tell boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I think we're closing up. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're closing up. Could I lock in your love? I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Oh my God!
Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm so encaptured, got me back up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. And why did you kiss me to get my heart beat out of my chest? I think we're closing up. I wanna lock in your love. I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love?